I've got seeds, y'all. Fall seeds. Yeah, see, this is where I want to see. Hey, those are my seeds. Y'all want to see my seeds? Tatsoi, Black Knight. Isn't that a beautiful Asian green? Get down. Hey, those are my seeds. Anyway, hey, if you want to plant those seeds. So tatsoi is an ancient Chinese green of the brassica family. Brassicas, dark green, spoon-shaped leaves, hardy to frost, and makes a great cool season plant heading into the cool season. So this is perfect. Harvest baby leaves. Baby leaves. Y'all know how I like them. Young and tender. Next, we have the Chinese celery. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be planting this. Smaller leaves are more delicate. Strong celery flavor. Yeah, grows well indoors in containers. Germinates best in cooler conditions. Last frost date. It likes cooler conditions, but what that frost do? Has anybody planted Chinese celery in the fall? I'm a rebel. I may plant a seed or two and just see what happens. Because I've had celery that was store-bought. See, this is different. This is a more delicate celery. You don't know unless you try. So I'm going to try. I'll drop a couple seeds, see how it does. And if all else fails, I'll plant it in the spring. Next up is cabbage. Mishahili. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Mishahili cabbage. All right, Mishahili cabbage. Cylindrical Chinese cabbage that forms loose leafy heads. Leaves are white stemmed with green edges. Crisp and mild, excellent stir-fried or pickled. That's beautiful. Yeah, see, this is what I want to see. This is what I want to read. Will survive light frost. Yes, that's what we want. Cat damage. He was really trying to get this packet open. Unbelievable. Also known as bok choy or Chinese cabbage. Look at the stalks on her. Leafy are we? A very mild, sweet flavor that shines in dishes and stir fries. Common theme here is that they all would do well in a stir fry. And lastly, Thai basil. Well, I grew that this summer, so I won't be planting that. This was a nice set here. So again, tatsoi, Chinese celery, cabbage, and pak choy. This is what we're going to be growing this fall, in addition to what's already out there. Let's go out and plant some seeds. Cabbage is holding on. This was planted in August, very hot outdoors. I lost some and I've got some that have survived. Plant more than you need. You never know what may happen. This is the order that I'll be planting. Pak choy in the back, cabbage next, and tatsoi, Chinese celery in front. This will also help me to remember exactly what I planted. Gardeners, you already know what happens to those labels. Somehow they wear off or they come up missing. All right, this last row here, my little handy tool. Get you one, get you one. All the rave. Scooping out a little row here. Doesn't need to be deep at all because the seeds are pretty small. All right, all lined up in a row. Let's drop these seeds. Let's grow, let's grow. I'll let these continue to ripen indoors. We've got a couple of days of rain, so that may be the reason why this split. I love being in my garden at night. It's so peaceful and quiet. Don't get me wrong, my head is definitely on a swivel out there. Don't get it twisted. Pardon me while I walk and enjoy my little space here. But seriously, I hope someone is inspired today or tonight. Inspired to start a garden. Inspired to pick up the hobby again. Maybe you used to grow your own food. Maybe life got in the way. Married life, children, the job, all sorts of things. I get it. Life happens. Life be lifin'. The fall season definitely encourages me to grow more green leafy greens. As the weather gets cooler, I'm looking forward to getting all cozied up in my recliner with a nice warm bowl of soup. How about you? If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.